Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. We are on a brief hiatus at the present time. However, there has been a development in the matter styled as Karen Laramie et al. Versus City of Moscow. We have been following this case out of the 2nd Judicial District of the state of Idaho in and for the county of Latah. This case was opened in August for the purpose of obtaining successfully a temporary restraining order against the city of Moscow, enjoining the city from further releases of items from the investigatory files of the Moscow Police Department. They were the lead agency with respect to the investigation into the crimes that occurred at 1122 King Road on November 13th, 2022. As of this date, September 15th, 2025, there has not been a final ruling by Judge Megan E. Marshall as to whether the temporary restraining order which Judge Marshall entered in favor of the plaintiffs against the city of Moscow should be converted to a permanent restraining order in full, in part, or if it should be set aside altogether. In looking at the docket for this case, there's a new item that did not appear over the weekend when we reviewed this file last. And it is a notice of withdrawal of counsel from the case. This was apparently filed on September 12th, 2025. It appears to have been docketed today, the 15th. On the docket, it is September 12th, 2025, notice of withdrawal of attorney and the comment notice of withdrawal of associate counsel. It appears that the withdrawal was by Andrew Graham Pluskow, who was an attorney for the defense, the city of Moscow. He is listed now as inactive attorney under the active attorneys for the city of Moscow of Bentley Guy Strongberg, Mia Maria Batista, and the third attorney is now listed as inactive, no longer involved in the case. This third attorney for the city of Moscow is a lawyer associated with Clements, Brown, and McNichols, PA, a law firm out of Lewiston, Idaho. We have no further details as to why he has withdrawn, that is Mr. Pluskow, from the case, as the public awaits a ruling on the issue of the permanent restraining order. It has been almost 3 weeks since Judge Marshall held the hearing back on August 28th when she took oral argument from both sides, indicated that the matter was adjourned, and the case summary page has stated case taken under advisement continuously since then. So again, it appears that one of the attorneys for the city of Moscow has withdrawn from the case. He is now listed as an inactive attorney. His name is Andrew Graham Pluskow. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. Thank you for joining us here today.